For centuries, the Native American tribes of the American Southwest had spoken of the 5 hidden fires, legendary treasures said to hold the power of the earth, wind, water, fire, and spirit. These treasures, created by their ancestors, were hidden in secret places before the arrival of European settlers, sealed away to protect the balance of nature. But over time, their locations were forgotten, guarded only by the earth's shifting landscapes and the whispers of elders. Many believe the treasures to be a myth, tales told to preserve the heritage of the tribes. Yet others, particularly fortune hunters, were convinced they were real. And one such hunter, a man named Thomas Blackwood, was certain he had found a clue. In an old trading post, long abandoned and reclaimed by the desert, Blackwood uncovered a